Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And if this is the first time you're coming across my video, I want you to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your family and friends. So majorly in today's tutorial, I will be talking about how to resolve Facebook ads payment. A lot of us we've had issues about how to make payment, how to fund our Facebook ad. Then in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to do just that, how to fund your Facebook ad account with your local card. So majorly, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to this channel. And if this is the first time you're coming across my video, I'm Donsen Junior by name, and I create content that can make you make more money online and learn a new skills. So let's go into this tutorial. I said I'll be teaching you how to solve payment issues on Facebook ads. So right now I'm on my Facebook page. Then you come down here to where you see ad manager. So you click on ad manager. So you'll be adding your local card to your Facebook ad. We've had issues about that. I've had a lot of complaints about how can I add my card, how can I do this, how can I add my local card to this particular ad. So majorly I'm making use of this ads. Then you come down to where you see settings down here, you click on settings, so as you can see it's loading settings. Can you see my overview? You can see the overview here. Don't come down to this payment settings, just come down to open payment settings right here on the first page. You will see. So the first thing you have to do is to come to business info, then click on edit. Business info, then click on edit. Then edit your name. As you can see, my name is there already. Then you come down to this place, you see currency and time zone. Most times the reason why you can't add your local card is because your ad account is probably in dollars. So you come down here and click on, as you can see it's already in Nigerian naira. Then make sure it's in Lagos time, then you save. So after saving, you come back to add payment method. So let's click on add payment method. You can see we have debit or credit card, local card. Don't click on debit or credit card, just come to local card. Then next. If you have MasterCard, you can also try debit or credit card, but right now we'll be making use of local cards. So basically in today's tutorial, I talked about how to today's tutorial is about how to solve Facebook ad payment method. We've had issues about it. A lot of us have had issues about this particular thing, how to solve payment method, how to add fund, how to fund my Facebook ad. So in today's tutorial, I'll be doing justice to that in today's tutorial. Sorry, my network is somehow slow. It will take a while to load. Take a very while to load. Okay. So majorly follow the step and you'll be able to add this right into your Facebook ad account. So let me make use of this opportunity. If you want to learn about how to create Facebook ad, just drop it in the comment section below and I will do justice to that before the end of this week. Before the end of this week, I will do justice to that. So after clicking on local card, it will bring us to this place where you enter the amount you want to fund into your Facebook ad account. Then I'll be putting in this amount. Then next. So it will bring me down to this page where I enter the name on the card number, the expiring date, the security code, which is the CVV. But don't make a mistake of clicking the safeguard for future payments. Do you know why? Because Facebook can start deducting your money, maybe like you'll be saying they are for maintenance and for other things. So don't make a mistake of clicking this particular page of this particular box, safeguard for future payment. Don't click it. I repeat, don't click this particular box. So you can try this and start funding your Facebook ad accounts with your local bank card. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do that now and share this video with your friends so that it can encourage me to create more of this exciting video. I love you guys and see you in the next tutorial. Bye.